But as it is, it's running pretty good. When I got this engine from a customer, it wasn't running at all. It would like fire once and then maybe make one revolution and then it was done. It was dead. So I had 2 jets that were plugged, some adjustments with the mixture. These tubes were a little gunked up. I don't know if there was some bad butane. I tend to use the Burns-Matic butane. It's not much more expensive than any other butane, but I've had some stuff from Walmart that I wasn't happy with. It just didn't run as well. I don't know if there was something else in it or what. But this fuel tank, when it's run totally out, you can take the center screw out. There's a seal on the bottom and the top with an O-ring, and there's a sponge inside of it where the butane sits. And you take that sponge out and you wipe any residue out of there, and I'll wash that sponge out with like denatured alcohol, make sure it's totally dry before I put it back together. Be careful with these little tubes. You do not want to kink them. There's not a whole lot of flow there to begin with. And I do not like to take the timing apart. I have in the past, but mark it well if you're going to do that, because to get this thing timed is a pain if you get it out of time and don't know where the marks belong. We're running out of gas now. Can't really see it, but the valve's almost down to 0. And that's it. I'm just going to let it run the rest of the way out. One last thing. When you're going to fill it, make sure it's empty. Like I said, don't have any candles or open flames around here, especially when you're going to fill it. And shake the can. Turn it upside down. Make sure you get it placed over good. Don't get your face down in the way of this. You don't want butane in your face if it doesn't seal real well. Push down. And the pressure gauge will go up to 2 and maybe just a little above. There, and I didn't get it 100% sealed. I'm going to wave a hand here to get some of that out of there. I'll turn it on. There we go. Actually runs a little better under load. Usually I'll adjust it, let it cool all the way down, try to start it again, make sure nothing came out of adjustment. Every once in a while take with your fingers and touch these locking nuts on each of these, make sure none came loose. The adjustment's not that hard once you know how to do it. So that's about all I have to say about that. And it's the Maier TA4 4-cylinder, very unique internal combustion engine running on butane. Thank you.